Alright guys, so here is the final look. I didn't go super full, but as y'all can see, I just put it in random spots. There was no particular order the way I put it in, but I mainly concentrated on putting it at like the front and the top. I didn't really fill it in the back because didn't really see no need. I didn't want it to be like really out there, so it's just full enough to get the effect that I wanted. But I can say, really, thank you Dylan, for my phone. But yeah, y'all, I'm liking it so far. And I did notice that you kind of have to run your fingers through this hair because it's two different types of hair. It will kind of tangle and get, you know, kind of coiled on top of each other. But so far so good. I am loving the semi-fullness of this, so it kind of gives me like two looks in one basically. So yeah, y'all, I will definitely say this is a super cute style. And because, you know, it's getting a little cooler now, I decided to go with the black instead of my usual colors that I usually go with. So yeah. I don't know if I would have picked like a different, if I would have picked like a different, I don't know if I would have picked like a different curl pattern, because I didn't have the hair with me when I went to the store to get the other hair. So I was like, will it be too shiny? Well, I didn't want a hair too shiny, because I was gonna do the deep wave, the Freetress deep wave that I did the last time, or 2 times before. So I just went back to my usual, my normal. I don't know, I just love this hair because it's a low luster, so it looks a little bit more natural. So, and it's a natural volume in this curl pattern, so therefore I don't have to use like a lot of hair, if that makes sense. And I don't have to worry about the knots coming loose quicker, just because of the texture of this hair. So yeah, so y'all, I'm gonna give this style a yes. I'm gonna say yes, hunty, yes, yes. So anyways, thank you guys for tuning in to, why I always get hung up on this part. Anyways, yes, so thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll have another video coming up. I don't know if it's gonna be this month or maybe I'll make it for next month, to just go over a few of the crochet brands. I'll probably be naming my top 5 crochet brands, and I'm also going to do a video, guys, of me going into the beauty supply store, and I'll show you guys how I pick the crochet hair that I want to try, and how I narrow it down, because y'all know it's so much, so many options, so many brands, you just don't know what you're getting. And I'll do another video on how I pick out my crochets on Amazon, because I did get the locks off of Amazon. So I'll have all that stuff linked below, and those other video suggestions will be coming up between the month of September and the month of October. So I will catch y'all on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.